Title: Batman or Jungle, Khazana. Batman and the Jungle Treasure. Characters: Batman, smart and brave, but funny in this version. Wears full black costume, rides a hoverbike. Crocodile, guard of the jungle treasure, talks in a deep silly voice. Lives in the river. Woodman, half tree, half human, strong but slow, says, I am root too much. Small Doge, a super cute brave dog, talks like a meme. Wow, much treasure, etc. Parrot, talkative, sarcastic, keeps giving clues. Wears a pirate hat. Scene 1. In the city. Batman's lab visuals. Batman sits in a high-tech lab, reading an ancient jungle map on a hologram screen. Batman. Jungle mainek porana Khazana shupa huahai. Time for an adventure. He jumps on his hover, bike, and zooms away. Scene 2. Deep jungle entrance visuals. Thick jungle, vines, mysterious sounds. Batman arrives. Parrot flies in. Parrot. Kiatum bi treasure du ne aeho, Crocodile, se sambal kerena. Translation: Are you here for the treasure too? Beware of the crocodile. Batman. Thanks, flying GPS. Scene 3. River of Trouble visuals. A big river blocks Batman's path. Crocodile appears from the water dramatically. Crocodile. Funny tone. Who dares cross my river? Only those who solve my riddle may pass. Riddle. Muhe pani mindalo to dubtahun, lekin main patar nahi. Main kyahun? Put me in water, I sink, but I'm not a stone. What am I? Batman. Sponge? Crocodile. Shocked. Kya baat hai? Sahi jawab. Gel. Par Woodman sa samhalka. Scene 4. Woodman's trap visuals. A dark area with trees. Suddenly, Woodman jumps in front of Batman. Woodman. I am Root. You shall not pass. Small Doge enters, barking. Wow. Big tree. Much blocking. Very wood. Batman. Wait, Doge. Try distracting him. Small Doge starts dancing around Woodman. Woodman, confused. Suck moves. Fairy distract. I am dancing? He starts dancing too. Batman. Thanks, Doge. They escape while Woodman grooves. Scene 5. The Treasure Cave visuals. A glowing cave with vines and sparkles. Parrot flies above, leading the way. Parrot. Final test. Only the kind-hearted may open the treasure. Batman, Crocodile, Doge, and Parrot reach the treasure chest together. Batman. I won't open it alone. Let's all open it together. They all touch the chest. It opens. Inside is a glowing fruit tree and a scroll. Scroll reads, True treasure is teamwork and friendship. Ending scene. Back in jungle visuals. They're all sitting under the glowing tree, sharing fruit and laughing. Crocodile. Next time, let's find pizza treasure. Small Doge. Such fun. Much wow. Many treasure. Batman laughing. Best mission ever. The end. Moral. Treasure is more fun when shared with friends.